everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my 420 nail set using the items from the Hot Tips April nail box. I have a video on that. I posted that on Monday. So first I'm showing these stickers here I'm going to be using, and then the little gold leaf charms, the yellow acrylic that came in the box, clear acrylic, and then this Beetles nail polish. It's a green sparkly, it's 682. I'm going to be applying that to some of the tips. It's really pretty. Oh, I love it. Just so green and sparkly. I also use that polish to make these charms. Of course, I had to make my charms, so I used that polish and they came out perfect. They're so cute. Yeah, that's the mold there. I show that all the time. That's the one I got from Amazon. And just showing that 682. And then these nail tips here are long coffin half tips. I saw these on Nails by Camon's channel. She uses those tips. She had them linked in her videos, so I ordered those and I really like them. They're real tapered and really cute. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my peel off base coat here from Nail Couture, and I'm just going to apply a layer of that. And this one you have to let it air dry, so I let that dry really good. And then I'm also using the Nail Couture Cotton Candy monomer. I like it. I mean, it still smells like monomer, but it does have a little bit of a cotton candy scent to it. And then this is the number 8 brush from Dynamic Nail Supply. And then I'm just using some McCart nail glue, and I'm just gonna I'm gonna glue my nail tips on. And those are all the tips there. I really like the shape of them. They're really cute. I'm just going to shorten them just a little bit. Sorry, you'll notice throughout the video I get a little bit out of frame. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, sorry. And then I'm just smoothing out the edges there where I trim the nail. And then I just go in and roughen up the nail tips and kind of blend in the tip with the nail. I have that peel off base coat, so I didn't go too much on my nail bed because I didn't want to take that off. I'm just dusting the dust off. And then if you were keeping these on, you'd go on with a dehydrator and then a primer to keep the nails on. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just painting the tips of the pinky and the index finger with that green polish. I do 2 coats of that. I cure each coat for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow shade that came in the box. I'm going to be creating an ombre on the nails that I did the green tips on. So I already did the pinky. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that down and putting the bead right where the green polish was and just dragging it down a little bit to create kind of an ombre fade. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that yellow there, and then the middle and index and thumb I'll be doing just all yellow yellow acrylic on those nails. So now I let the acrylic dry. I'm going in with the 3-in-1 by Burano and that little light that has the jelly stamper on it. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of the 3-in-1, and then I place the leaf, little glitter on there, and then I'm taking that light with the jelly stamper and pushing it down and turning the light on. That way it pushes it down flat. I did have some trouble with some of them. I think it was because I was doing it on acrylic. I mean, I waited till it dried, but yeah, I just think, I mean, it worked pretty good, but most of them, yeah, I had to go in and add a little bit more and push it down more. And yeah, the thumb I wasn't too crazy about. The shape and the just the way the leaves came out, they were, I don't know, because like I said, I had a little bit of trouble, so just got to play with that a little bit more. It was my first time doing that with the little jelly stamper on the light. So now I'm just going to go in and encapsulate all the nails with the clear acrylic. Now I'm just going to go in and use the hand file and start, you know, fixing the shape of the nails. And then I'll go in with a ceramic nail bit to help shape the nails also. And then I go in with a sanding band. Too much filing in this video. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. Alright, so after I filed and buffed the nails, I'm just going in with this Not Polish, the Gloss-It top coat. So I just apply a layer of that, and then I cure my hand for 60 seconds. And then I'll be going in with the nail art decorations. I'm going to go in with these Powerpuff Girl stickers on the ring finger. They're super cute. And then I'll be placing the gold leaf charms on the ring finger and the index finger. And then my little charms that I made, I'll be placing on the middle and the thumb. So now I'm just going in with more of the top coat, and I'm just top coating over the stickers that I just placed, and then I'll go ahead and cure that again for another 60 seconds. So now I'm just applying my cuticle oil around the nails. And then this is the finished set here. I really like the way they came out. That yellow is really, really pretty, and it's really nice to work with. I had no problems with it. It worked really good with the Nail Couture monomer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Bye.